Hi, I'm Keather Snyder with the Omnia Group, and today we're talking about 2025 workplace trends, specifically to career development and formalized career path plans. In today's workplace, career development should be a priority, but in 2025, most organizations still don't have a formal process in place. Our annual Talent Trends survey had a surprising fact that less than 25% of our respondents have formalized structured career development plans in place for their employees. The rest are relying on informal check-ins and crossing their fingers. And here's the problem. Without a clear path, employees can't see a future. They can't grow, they can't engage, they won't engage, and they won't do the things that you need them to do. The benefits of a formalized process, they're big. Formal development builds trust, improves retention, and helps people align their goals with the company's future. It proves to employees that you care about them. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that 67% of employees say that they would stay with their current company if they had the opportunity to grow, upskill, and advance in their current role? And that's even for those who aren't happy in their current role, because if they had a chance to develop and they saw advancement in their future, they would stay. This is a huge opportunity for leaders, especially for those of us leading small and mid-sized businesses. So how do you get started? Start with structured growth plans. For new hires, make sure you've got a 30, 60, 90-day plan in place right from the beginning. What is it expected that they do in their role? What does success look like currently as they're onboarding and into the first year? Set the stage early and create a detailed career path plan so they see the way their skill development lines up with their career development. For your employees who have been there a while, just have an honest conversation. Explain that we're going to start fresh. We're going to give everybody an opportunity to grow with our company and with us. So show them that you're interested in them. Find out what they're interested in. What does the business need? Where are there opportunities for them to stretch? Where are there opportunities maybe to serve in other roles? Offer mentoring, cross-training, certifications. Engage people in cross-functional projects. Identify initiatives that the company can do together to grow and improve the business, and establish cross-functional teams and allow people to stretch and develop new ways of looking at things together. None of this needs to be costly. You can offer this through mentoring, cross-training, and job coaching. When employees see their companies investing in them, they invest right back with their time, their energy, and their loyalty. Want to build a culture of growth? Move from an informal process to an intentional process. Omnia has 40 years of experience using data-driven insights to support employee development. Reach out to us today for a consultation.